Okay, hi guys, this is mmbabao and this is how we do it. If you want to swap things here, like the row or the column, here's what we're going to do. First, let's go to the row. If you want to swap this whole A to this B, you need to select this part first and go to this side and press shift and left click, boom, and drag it here. Okay, don't drag it here, and boom, and release. That's simple. Okay, same, you can also apply it here. Go to this side, put your mouse here, shift, left click, and don't drag it here. Okay, it will do wrong. Okay, Control Z, and simply just go here, as long as you can see this line, and boom. Okay, that's simple. So hope you learned something today. Please like and subscribe on my channel. Thank you for watching.